All right, I'm here with head coach Mike Turk. You had some really great performances today. Can you kind of talk about today in general and the weekend?
Well, it's kind of bittersweet because I think we had the guys performed really well individually. We had some great performances. I mean, 1, 2 in the 100. Our sprint crew was great. The two guys, the 800, came through with terrific performances. But as a team, the scores were getting closer, but we didn't move forward as much as I'd like. So, these guys are, they'll learn from it, and we as a staff will learn from it. And we're getting closer, but we're not there. So, overall, I'm pleased. I think the guys gave everything they had, and their performance is good. But we got to keep getting better.
Where does this go? I mean, how do you go from here?
Well, what we go from here is two-pronged. Number one, we've still got a couple meets left that are real important to a lot of people, and we're going to kind of get some guys rested up and get ready to go for the first round of the NCAA. We'll have a pretty big group going, and then the other prong is now we got to go back and reassess, kind of where we ended up, and so we got some things we got to fix and some things we got to do better, and we got to round out our recruiting class and finish that up and get ready for next year.